Thought I'd do a quick review here. So we're almost done with the floor over here. We're going around our hole, which is about 10 feet deep. We're not really sure why this hole was put here. Maybe a dry well. We're just really not sure. It turns out it's pretty easy to get into because there's a whole kind of a step area on one side and then the other side, so it's not too hard. I went down in and cleaned it out. So right now I'm going with the doing the granite around the edge. And I just have this area. Now we remove the pipes. So now this wall is ready. Amy started painting here. So this is all prepped all the way over to this hole. So she'll be working on that more. And you can see how this is already looking really good. The curtains are back up on these two windows. And we're ready to hang a painting here. Have to straighten it out first, so it wants to warp like crazy. So the closet area is almost ready for the shelves. The one door is complete. The other door is right here. It's already cut. I need to add some screws to it, clean it all off, and then that can be hung back up. So the plumbing is working out really nice. Going right down the center now. Freed up this whole wall. So I think we're in really good shape. The floor is looking awesome. And next we'll be talking about the stairs, but that'll be another video. So, time to call it a day.